This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live with these two bird dogs out in the yard. And I'm pretty sure some dirt is going to go down. That's Fred.
Get down. Go.
This is Blaze.
Go.
That's Billy.
Hey.
Oof. Go. Go be with your husband. Uh-oh. There it goes, folks. This is how it goes down. Do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Oh, look at him.
Don't say anything. Oh.
He's nibbling on her ear.
Well, that's foreplay, Daddy. There it goes, folks.
I think Fred's in her. Uh-oh. She's swinging that old ass around.
Uh-oh. What's he rooting around for?
Look at Fred's tongue. She had a tongue like that.
I wish you did too.
Well, I could do wonders with that mother.
That's way too much dog.
Huh?
God, that is way too much dog.
God almighty. Look at it.
That's gross. Maybe in another life he was Gene Simmons.
Right? I wonder what it would look like if we pierced that dog's tongue.
Get out there, Fred, and get some booty.
Get up and get some booty.
Okay, this is how we get him to do it. This is what's up, folks. This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live. And Fred, the male bird dog, normally is constantly trying to ride his sister. We have an inbred incestual situation occurring.
Incest.
Yeah, it's not really best, but it is good footage.
That's how they get good bloodlines, though.
That's how they get gross, defective bloodlines, though. Okay, here we go. Is it on?
She had to squat to take a piss.
That means he's going to be humping her.
Marking his territory. See
Really?
that?
Uh-uh. Here we go. Let's see what's up.
Oh, she raises
Oh,
that tail.
I
Look at that.
appreciate
Raise that
that.
tail straight up.
That's like me and you.
Damn.
Well,
Lick the puss. Lick
shut
the...
your mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh. Ready for this to occur. Now these animals were nearly squirting all over each other before I got the phone. Now we wait patiently for the footage. Come on, Fred.
Well, she raises that tail every time it goes up. She
Well,
might
yeah,
be in
she's
heat.
not stupid.
She might be in heat a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Don't go behind the bushes.
There you go.
Shh. Oh, yeah. He's just like you. Damn. Yep. When you don't have money, what you can do is watch two bird dogs fuck in the backyard. Right?
Right?
Oh, yeah. Giggity. Are you serious?
Get up
Since
in
when do they need privacy?
He should get a blowjob.
Oh, man. Really? Come on, doggies. Get over here and screw. There it is. Yeah, that's really gone. Fred. There you go.
Look how he takes his paws and hold it.
Ugh. Wow, he's trying for all it's worth. Yeah, check yourself.
Yeah, he's trying.
That is so weird.
That's the way they do it on Discovery.
It is. Wow. He wants
Get a blowjob.
liquor.
Lick, lick. Fred?
Don't call him.
No,
Let's see.
find the G spot.
Yeah, he's a sucky lover. Look at him. Oh my God, what a selfish bastard. Dude, really? There you go. There it is. That happens to be an excellent position. Oh yeah. I don't see any joy on her face.
No. I don't think she's all the way in heat yet. Yeah, he's stalking her.
He is just like you.
Just like me.
Yes. All happy to see her. Trying to get head. Good Lord. There you go. Do it like they do on the Discovery Channel.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at him. She doesn't get very far without him trying again. Yeah, maybe they need a cigarette.
Or blunt. Fred needs some Viagra.
I don't think he needs anything. He needs to put that tongue to good use on that female so that she'll actually be receptive. Keep that in mind, gentlemen. Women love a favor.
Yeah, they love little tongue action.
A lot of it. Don't be fooled.
Yeah. Especially when you find that special spot.
Shut up, Billy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Fred, are you horny, Fred? Well, don't feel bad. I am too.
You shouldn't be. This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live.